Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, FWD, rear defrost. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.